Yeah, we got called out today to work on this 5-axle cab over tractor, an old Freightliner someone's doing some restoration work on. Wanted to do the dry ice blasting and then some paint work on the frame and suspension and axles of it. So you can see in this before video here, lots of rust, it's all surface. And then by the time we're done blasting it and doing some paint work, get it back to where the customer wanted it to be. So we go around the vehicle here, we'll see a little bit more on the other side. Pretty consistent throughout. It's already been pressure washed, and obviously that doesn't do much. So get the bulk of it off of there, paint it all up, and we're good to go. So yeah, give us a call, Santa Blast Restoration, if you want anything like this done for you.